Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a like-new GM certified 2017 Buick Encore Preferred Group stock number Z6743A. Only 5,000 miles on this one owner, local trade, clean auto check history report. We sold this Encore brand new, white frost in color. To be GM certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 4-year 50,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 6-year 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 12-month 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty, along with 2 years or 24,000 miles of scheduled maintenance. The Encore seats 5. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera. Lots of cargo space in the rear with removable privacy cover. And of course, extremely clean, no dents or dings in the body. This Encore has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position, power moonroof. Start. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system. Again, only 5,000 miles. Cruise control. Steering wheel mounted audio controls so you can keep your hands on the wheel. Large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And there's of course where the backup camera displays. Hard keys below for the dual zone automatic temperature control. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect mobile media devices. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. And a spacious glove box with all the owner's auto dimming mirror and power moonroof control. Under the hood, this Encore has a 1.4 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 138 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates: an average of 25 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 33 on the highway, and again only 5,000 miles on those tires. Don't forget about that GM certification, protecting your investment. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCZ6743A to 662.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.